Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Itty Bitty Bean, like your name. What's up, Mom? Guys, remember I'm on YouTube and Instagram. YouTube if you prefer the horizontal. We'll start here in a minute or two. Questions, tickers, throw them in the comment box. You know how it works. Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. What's up, Morgan? Morgan over on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube's running. We're up and running. At Student Alpha. Longs and ES. No? Well, low a day is right there. So if you enter that long in ES, you're playing low a day, right? I would have a tight stop loss, like 5-point stop loss. Then maximum would be right back up to wherever the VWAP is at that point. Better to take a short off this VWAP. What's going on, Nino? Shelby, what's going on, guys? A lot of my traders are on here. A lot of you folks aren't my traders, but you come to my lives. Welcome. Glad to see you guys. We'll start here in like 30 seconds. Questions, tickers, throw them in the comment box. Can you hear me on YouTube there, Morgan? Hades, Nino, you guys hear me all right? Looks like Morgan's having some problems on YouTube. Everything on my end says I am working, so let's get into it. All right, guys. Happy Monday, the 12th. We've completed one full week of trading in 2026. This is our second week. If you had a great week, most of our traders did good, but let it go. Cut it the fuck loose. It's a new week. This is a new battle, new mindset. The reason why I'm telling you that, guys, is if you had a great week like most of us did, you can't ride on that high and start making poor decisions. Just like there's going to be weeks when we have bad weeks. You got to cut it the fuck loose and fresh mindset for the next rate so you don't change discipline, right? The highs are great, but you have to govern them down just like the lows will be. You can't let them drag you down, guys. This is the long haul. We have 52 weeks to trade this year, all right? So let's get at it. All right, no data today, guys. Tuesday, tomorrow CPI, Wednesday PPI. Pretty decent stack of data coming in. Good, got your audio fixed. All right, so let's talk about ES. This is the S&P 500. Guys, this was a great short through 7,000. Actually, sorry, you guys can't see it over in Instagram land. Short right through 7,000 down. We had a number of our traders take that. Right now, the bias is, so open price was 7,007. High day 7,009. Low day 6,950. Resistance at high day and 7,025. Support at low day and 6,900. The bias is short below 6,970. So that is the white line. Also the VWAP right there. So this is strong defense. I like this short coming in right here. So if you get a short around 65, take that for 10. Stop loss goes. Well, let's use the right indicator. What do you think, guys? So, get in here. Stop loss above that wick. And ride that bad boy down for 10. There's your free trade for the day. Keep an eye on that setup. You have deteriorating momentum. If you come to my war room, you'll see that bad boy and the matrix indicator, which is a magic indicator based on a lot of things in my education. And no, it's proprietary to my war room. And it's an indicator we may sell for usage, but this thing adds 20% to your position. So that red indicator, if it comes in, that's going to be a good sell. My traders, you're going to be looking for that. When you come to my trading war room, guys, I have all these levels marked out in the system ready to go. Plug and play, learn as you go. And we're launching something pretty cool this week for my traders. So RTY M2K, small cap. you can see it's kind of doing the opposite, right? Like this is the January effect that we talk about. Small caps typically by percentage run in January. Welcome. If you have questions or tickers, throw them in the comment box. RTYM2K's open price is a Russell 2000, 2639, high a day 2641, low a day 2620, resistance at high a day and 2655, support at low a day and 2600. The bias is right at the white line, and so is the VWAP. So we're compressing in and around bias. If you can't see it, let me show it to you a little better. So we're wavering right there. Okay, so technically we're looking for longs here, but shorts are just on the other side. The next long opportunity is going to be if it runs up. And yes, ES and RTY, especially in January, can run opposite. Let me expand this a little bit. Next long opportunity is 26.29. You can short the VWAP. It's going to be a very tough play. When you're flirting with the VWAP and you're flirting with bias, you're going to trade either side of that. If you come to my war room, one of my traders who's very savage usually hits 4 to 6 points almost immediately off that VWAP. You guys know who it is. It's Justin, right? And then he's done. I mean, the dude is done in 10 minutes every day. Just stacks up the cash. When you come to my war room, guys, you get my expertise. You also get input from my veteran successful traders. And this week we have Prop Firm Kid is bringing some of his guys over as guests because I want to see what's going on with us, man. Right. So let's get into gold. Hey, are metals doing anything? Did anybody notice? Nah, let's skip metals. There's nothing to talk about there. Just kidding. Anyway, gold. So there's a rocket ship in metals. All the talk about, with what's going on in Venezuela, and then we might be taking Greenland, and now there's talk that China may move on Taiwan. Hey, let me know in the comment box. Are we starting World War III? Is this, remember, it's not usually one event that starts a world war. It's usually a domino effect. Did somebody already start the dominoes? What do you think? Let me know in the comment box. All right. Gold. For XAU, subtract 10 from these numbers. So very easy. Open price 45.29, high a day 46.22, low a day 45.19, resistance at high a day, and 46.85. That's the beginning of the 4700 diamond. Support at low a day and 4500, and the bias is long above that white line. Guys, our next read, we have declining momentum here. Look how clean this read was right here. VWAP touch, 5-minute cross with momentum. Let's see if it paid 10. Oh, it paid 33. Guys, these indicators are undefeated. I'm telling you. If you come to my war room and can't pay for your monthly membership almost daily, you might need your head examined. All right. So that's gold. Next buy opportunity is right around 46.10 to 12. I already gave you spots 10 points lower than that. Pretty easy. So you just use those numbers. Guys, I want you to notice, well, you may not notice. You can't see all my charts. YouTube land, you can. I only have 6 charts up. I usually run 8 charts. I've eliminated palladium and silver from my morning war room. We're not even looking at silver. You can't day trade it. Great for swing trading right now, right? It's just on fire. But let me bring up and tell you my levels because here you go. Here is silver. So for XAG, par pricing. Par pricing, it's the exact same price, right? It means we're coming back out of backwardation and looking into going to contango or normal relationship. So XAG open price 80.49. High day was $5.50 higher at $5 higher, 85.57. Low a day 79.86. Resistance at high a day and 90. Support at low a day or 82 and low a day, and bias long above that. But where's my white line? I don't know where it's in it. But holy cow, what happened? Bias is long above 82.78. It's the exact same price as an XAG, guys. There's your bias. I'm not even going to talk about bias in here on a short time frame, but it would be about 84.75. Discounts, listen, everyone wants to know their entry. Your entry in silver was when we strongly called it at 70 and we strongly called it at 75. Now here we sit at 85. You're going, when do I buy silver? When should I buy it? When we fucking told you $10 ago to buy it. You remember 6 months ago when it was 40 and we told you to buy it? So spot silver, you just got to keep adding. But listen, if you really want to, if you're late to the party, you got to wait for a 3% or more high velocity sell off. It's coming. Write it down. Write it down. It is coming. all right, there will be a high velocity profit take, not a reversal, of more than 3%. So if it goes to 87, then drops back to 80, that's your buy. Just giving you an example. I mean, that's a strong pullback. You're going to buy strong pullbacks. Just watch it run and then wait for the pullback. All right. Overseas, spot gold is triple digits. Guys, JP Morgan Chase has this now, who was one of the greatest shorters of silver, now has it priced at $309. I'm not trading silver futures products because the beta is absolutely ridiculous. And my broker changed the margin requirement to $65,000 per contract from $18,000. Was that 3x, 3.5x? It's absolutely ridiculous. But I own a lot of physical silver, so I am enjoying this run up. All right. But we're not even going to day trade it in my war room. Why? Because I'm a hell of a fucking leader and I don't want you blowing up your account. That's why. All right. Platinum. Let's get into it, folks. I love trading platinum, swing trading it, day trade to swing trade. Just had to sell down out of this channel, guys. This is selling out of the channel. Here's your channel. There you go. That's a sell through. We're going to hit that VWAP. It's going to be a buy around 23.45 to 50. Keep an eye on it. So that shouldn't be a green box. That should be just a gray box identifying a channel. But that's a channel break. My guys know about this. Look at that. Volume and momentum breaks levels. I teach this all the time. There's your tap. All right. So anyway, platinum for XPT, subtract 37 from these numbers. Open price 2,300. High a day 2409. Low a day 2286. Resistance at high a day in 2450. Support at low 2300 first, and then low a day. We're gonna have support at this all-time high anchored VWAP right here also. And we're long above 2359, the white line. So we've collapsed through bias, but it was tight anyway. I would probably look to regain this, but a great signal would be. Why can I drop down, recross, and re-enter that zone? This is price trapped in around the 2400 diamond. You guys see that all the time. Diamond oscillation, right? It's the bottom half. So it's not surprising. I'm long from about 100 points ago. The 9-mo oscillators, guys, if you have questions for your tickers, throw them in the comment box. 9-mo oscillators are positive 30 and positive 30 with the futures indices selling down a little bit. I would anticipate them to cool off unless we get a run today. But when they get to 60, we'll talk about it. And VIX has risen to 15.19, which is still buying. When it gets above 20, we start selling. Talk about my swing trades, and then I'm going to answer your questions. So get your butts prepared. All right. Tesla's 441. Nvidia is 183.35. I might get kicked today on my swing. Right? Yeah, blown candy. We started 13 minutes ago every day. And guys, listen. You either got to know when I'm going to go live at 9, or you need to go into go to my profile. Click on the settings for my profile and prioritize my alerts. Like when I go live, like you can get some of them. Tell me you want every one of them, right? You want every alert when I go live. That's a setting you have to change. Otherwise, Meta may not tell you that I'm going live. All right, so BBAI is 620. QBTS is pulled back a little bit at 2822. Bitcoin's just sitting the same at 9 that we were Friday, 90,000.5. Ethereum same as Friday, 3,100. I think the party's over on those things, guys. Bitcoin sitting at resistance. They're both sitting at resistance. So we have to cross 3,500 in Ethereum and 100,000 in Bitcoin. But that party's over. If you want to learn how to do this, I offer a money-back guarantee on my course. I have a free Discord. If you have questions I don't get to, you can go to the free Discord and tag me and ask for charts. I answer everybody. But the real money's made, guys, joining my VIP. Trade with me for 7 days free. It'll change your life. Link is in the bio. All right, let me see what questions you have. Check YouTube first. Yeah, in our system, guys, NQ, where we're normally hunting 10. We might be able to throw NQ in there. It pays 70 to 80. I might put that up. I didn't chart it yet. Might add that. That's a good point, Just reading the comments here to see what questions you guys have. And guys, if you saw my reel about funding ticks, prop firm match delisted them. Yeah, fuck those guys. They robbed tens of thousands of dollars from my traders. From my traders. They did the same to prop firm kids traders, as well as other traders. They're going out of business. Don't give them a dime. They're running these massive sales right now because they're trying to catch cash on their way out the door. They're thieves. All right, check other one. Yeah, again, we start these lives at 9 a.m., guys, Eastern Standard Time. Go to my profile, click on my information, tell them you want priority on my alerts, so it tells you every time. Otherwise, it's just like, whatever, whoever it wants to tell. Karuna, playing with silver, you're playing with fire. If you're day trading it. What's up, Owen? My thoughts on Russell at New York Open. You know, January effect being in there. You play this VWAP. See, I guarantee you my trader Justin just took this short right here at 26, and he'll be out soon. So this is going to have to be a B setup. What's a B setup? Well, guys, I have a book coming out that talks about all my trade setups. I know. It's like giving away all my secrets, but it's not. It's like directions on how to drive a car, but if you want to learn how to race the damn thing, you got to come see the man. That's how it works. All right. Let's see. Roblox. Isn't that what RBLX? I won't invest in this company. It is Roblox. Short this fucking company. All their child pedophilia bullshit. They protect all the bullshit in there. I don't like this company. But you have support right here at 76. It's below that. So this is a critical level. Next support level is 50. Right? So this right here, the drop is when Ryan Montgomery went on the Sean Ryan show and talked about Roblox and how they're protecting pedophiles. That was a great short. Otherwise, fuck this company. I got no love for anybody who wants to harm a child. We talked about silver buying on a percentage drawback. Do you get access to the indicator in the war room? Yes, you see it on my charts. We are setting it up to where you guys can purchase access. Oh, I don't want to purchase access. Sorry. It cost me a lot of time and money to have this education, this accuracy. So, all right, guys, I got to get to my pre-market volume leader. If there's other questions, go to my free Discord and ask me. Pre-market volume leader, guys, is EVTV. Edward Victor, Thomas Victor. It's a pre-market volume leader with a move up of 126 on news of government contracts. Those are like $100 million in contracts. Pre-market low was 46 cents and pre-market high is now new. It popped since I did my report. It is 127. My area of interest is 65 to 88, and I'm looking for 10%, but on a long shot, this might do 100% today. So this area of interest has to rise because I got to include the VWAP. So the area of interest is 75 to 95. Looking for 10% or could get lucky and get 100%. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. Guys, I got to bounce. Click the links in the bio. Come trade with me. 7 days free. Otherwise, I'll be back tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for coming.